Alright, so I'm tuning back in and it just dropped a sheet of ice. I don't know if I like the thickness on it, so we might have to readjust and do it again. Put the gloves on. So, I don't know if you can see it, the thickness, but it's pretty much dead on. I didn't think it was gonna be as good. I put a bag in there so I can see the new ice because I walked outside. You normally should time it. I timed it the first cycle, but I wanted you to see. So, yeah, I mean, that's looking good. It's about to go through another cycle. I'm gonna adjust that for a little bit thicker, but that came off in like maybe half a sheet and the rest pieces, as you can see. So we'll adjust it and I'll get back to you.